Got a lot of thoughts running through my mind, steady on the grind. I'm a dick when it comes to my time, don't pay for it. Don't train for the game, I was made for it. Pull up on the scene with a pound of weed, guarantee no nigga smoke like me. When it comes to the streets, I'm a young OG. Don't play, got a 40 on me. I'm a blasphemy nigga when it run up on me. Shoot first, ask questions later. I'm a boss, no way to cook, strong smoke favors. Ball hawk, go major, up front, fuck favors. Fuck that, yeah, I need my paper. Can't talk cash, I'ma see you later. Now late motherfuckers like the Terminator. These rappers too slow, can't fuck with this. Had to kill this track, this struck through this. Then the GM this track, you fuck with bitch.
Wait a minute. No, you did. Oh, you motherfuckers. Okay.
Yeah, that's right. You better walk away. Go on, walk away, cause I'ma burn this motherfucker down. King Kong ain't got shit on me.
Pussy get wet when she hear my name. Bitch nigga go run when they see my gang. This truly go thump and snatch my chain. I'm a universal soldier nigga tryna fuck with me. Game over, it's a liberation. Fuck around and kill nigga as a demonstration. Never hate to rep the game to the grave. Do this every day. Don't talk shit, let the bullets spray. Fuck a dream, that's a nightmare nigga. Like Freddy, I'm Jason. Chop your head off razor. Gasoline, I'm blazing. And I move too fast like I'm speed racer. Smoke so much, I'm Jamaican. And I pulled up, get a house be racing. Game is mine for the taking. Super Saiyan on a nigga, got a problem, let's face it. Chopped up in the basement. Through his acid, I left no trace, narcos in the making. We strong little, leave your ass aching. Choked up by the space shit. Young boss don't take shit. OGs at the greatest. Danny G, Sleazy Reese is a name, bitch. Yeah, I did a lot of dirt, but don't say shit, nigga.
We got the iPhone, what, 6?
It's a fucking everybody like, yo, come on, hold out. Where's it at though? Where's the proof?
There's no reference. This is an iPhone, it's an 8, bro. This is an 8.
Case on that bitch,
this is a fucking, yeah, I just explained why. Because the battery jack, the charging I don't think that counts as an iPhone at this point. Because the charging port was damaged because of how hot it's been lately. And I had to buy
you gotta
this charger, and it doesn't charge.
You know, dinosaurs went extinct like years ago, right? Like, bro, you gotta.
This is an iPhone 8. It's extremely like.
My mom has an iPhone 8, and she don't know how to use that bitch. It's old.
I know.
Space shit. Young boss don't take shit. OGs at the greatest. Danny G, Sleazy Reese is a name, bitch. Yeah, I did a lot of dirt, but don't say shit. Goddamn, I'm probably mad.
Alright, man, I'll see you soon. Hurry up.
Show your face. Yeah. You on documentary.
Hey, cool up.
When I say yes, more money.
Put your motherfucking hands up in the air for the one time.
Welcome to the ganglands, where my bitches bang bands, pulling up B.O.B. with them right bands. Try to understand, I'm a big boss, shorts up but not short on how to man. Running the city in a minute with a minutes, ain't with a love, get straight to the business. All for the cash in the game with a finish, and I hit that button, I replenish. Got with the money and it got with the game, we can't compare, we not the same. I own this lane, I kill this shit, I get my gain on. Try to understand, I'm a big boss, shorts up but not short on how to man. Strategic, watch it first hand, my game well planned. I take a Nathan, flip that shit, increase my rates, fuck the interstates. Going international and keeping casual and staying rational. I'm headed up while you going lateral. Bitches think I'm erotic, too exotic, it's chaotic. Only real, not bionic. Wanna battle, I can top it. So I top it, put you down and made a profit. I ain't saying you should stop it, but the game I'm trying to cop it. I ain't chillin' on a jet, I'm on a rocket, never stressed. Truly blessed, dash boys, money gang, this SDS. Welcome to the ganglands, where my bitches bang bands, pulling up B.O.B. with them Ray-Bans. Running through the city, I be running with the minutes. I ain't with the love, get straight to the finish.
I got too much on my mind, and every day I wake up, bitch, I get up on the grind. And they say time is money, so I can't waste it. If you run up, I'ma pull the trigger with no hesitation. I don't fuck around with pussy niggas or ratchet hoe. When it's time to get some money, then I'm yelling vamonos. No edits, hit for solo tempo. Particles, soy on marihuana, hasta muerte, let me bring it back. I'm about to switch it up, cause I'm a different breed. Yeah, I got it, what you need, I'm the plug. plug, so I ship it overseas. Got exotics, but I'm charging niggas fees. Fucking all these different bitches, so they call me Sleazy Reese, yup. Got this money, make it rain. I've never been a pussy, cause I pop it in your face. I count some motherfuckers like I'm 2020. Had these motherfuckers running like I'm COVID in the flesh. Yeah. Bitch. Ass Boys Money Gang, nigga, already know what the fuck this shit is, man. Welcome to the ganglands, where these niggas bang bands. Here I pop, get covered in every spray bag. Put her with some Ray-Bans. If a shorty wanna fuck, pop a band, then I make it rain racks. Yup, welcome to the ganglands, where these niggas bang bands. Here I pop, get covered and then I spray back.